Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. In today's fast-paced world, data science is one of the most in-demand fields, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Building an AI can be a complex process, but with the right skills and knowledge, anyone can learn how to create intelligent systems that can change the world. Step 1. Defining the problem. The first step in building an AI is to clearly define the problem you are trying to solve. This will help you determine what type of AI model to use and what kind of data you will need to train it. Step 2. Collecting and preparing the data. Once you have defined the problem, you will need to collect and prepare the data that will be used to train the AI model. This can include cleaning and pre-processing the data, as well as splitting it into training and testing sets. Step 3. Choosing an AI model. There are many different types of AI models that can be used, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. You will need to choose the model that best fits the problem you are trying to solve. Step 4. Training the model. Narrator. Once you have chosen an AI model, you will need to train it using the prepared data. This can be a time-consuming process, and the accuracy of the model will depend on the quality of the data and the complexity of the problem. Step 5. Evaluating the model. Narrator. After the model is trained, you will need to evaluate its performance using the test data. This will help you determine how well the model is able to generalize to new data and make predictions. Based on the evaluation, you may need to make adjustments to the model and retrain it to improve its performance. Step 6. Fine-tuning the model. Fine-tuning the model is an iterative process that can help you achieve the best performance. This may involve adjusting the model's parameters, adding more data, or trying different techniques to improve the model's accuracy. Step 7. Deploying the model. Once you are satisfied with the performance of the model, you can deploy it in the real world. This can include integrating the model into a web or mobile application, or using it to make predictions in a production environment. Building an AI can seem like a complex task, but when you break it down, it's just a series of steps you need to follow, and remember that with the right mindset, dedication and skills, anyone can learn how to build intelligent systems that can change the world. In the next section we will go in depth into examples of what kind of problems we can solve using artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.